Good morning. After visiting San Francisco, Santa Barbara, today is the turn to discover a new city, San Diego. So if you are new on the channel or you are just joining me on my one-week cruise on the Celebrity Solstice, today is day 5 and we are going to visit San Diego. I will put here a list of all my vlogs that I already had when I discovered Los Angeles. So I boarded the Celebrity San Francisco and of course Santa Barbara that I was yesterday. So I will put here the list and everything, but today we are going to visit San Diego. We're doing with an excursion we booked with Celebrity Solstice. It's called the San Diego and La Jolla Highlights. So let's go and discover this new city, San Diego.
Midway, you might be able to, you can see there is a statue. It's the unconditional surrender. And now it's the Cheesecake Factory. It's written right there to the right. The Hyatt Regency. So people so happy. It was to the right, down, all the way down. That's Mexico.
So after a quick drive in San Diego, we arrived here in the Balboa Park. It's a really big park with a lot of museums around and also the Zoo of San Diego. You see some beautiful monuments around, some the architecture is really beautiful. We have a little bit time to visit here around, then the bus takes us again to another place. So we are going to see where the other place is. I think it's La Jolla, if I'm correct, but we will see, and then we have another time somewhere else. But let's first visit here this Balboa Park and all the things that you can see here. This was our time in the Balboa Park. Now we are heading back to the bus who is waiting there in front of us and up to the next location.
Another exposition which was in 1945, and most of the buildings here, the museums, there are about 15 museums. You have to pay to visit the museum. There is only one that is free, the Timken. There's the Hoya Shores that I talked about. Look at all the kayaks, but on weekends there are even more.
So here we are at La Jolla. I don't know how to say it, but here you can see the seagulls, the sea lions, and they are really close and it's really beautiful. I don't know, you will see the views here after, but let's go and see all these beautiful views, because the views that I already seen, they are beautiful. What did you think? Was it not so beautiful to see the seagulls and the sea lions so close? I really, really, really like it. It's so beautiful. Wow. I can say that I see them a lot here, really. Everywhere you can see them, and they are so beautiful, but they make a lot of noise. But it's so beautiful to see them here. So yeah, now we are going back to the ship and go to another place.
They have the view on the beach. Yeah, like on where we drove down by the cave. So it's really nice. See right by the Shell station. And then there was also the California flag, which is the bear. California flag, the first ones were.
So with the excursion we have a third stop, and it's Old Town San Diego. Here what I heard is that everything started with California, I think, if I remember well. So it's a historical place, it's still here, so let's visit it and I will show you some highlights, because what I see, it's really beautiful and really authentic. So let's visit together. So this was our tour here in Old Town San Diego. What do you think? Do you like it? I really appreciate it. I really like it. I like the architecture. It's still old, like the saloons that you can see also too, and then the houses of that time, and thinking that we may be walking, yes, we are walking on a historical place for America and also for California. So it's even better. So I'm really happy that I saw this today. And yeah, if I say something wrong about history, tell me in the comments and tell me what I did say wrong, because I'm trying to remember what they say and then trying to say to you again. So if there's something wrong, tell me in the comments below. But yeah, I'm really glad that I saw this, because if this is history, this is really nice.
Then this is your ship. Oh my gosh, I hope that you still enjoyed it a little bit. I'm so sorry about the time.
we just finished with visiting the USS Midway, an old Navy ship from the US military, and it was something really spectacular with all these planes that you can still see, and also the decks below and everything. I really like the way they put it there together. Yes, you need to pay an extra fee to go inside, but it's something that you don't see every day. I don't know, in Belgium we don't even have an airplane carrier, so for me it was unique, and I really like it to see it with my eyes and then with the view. So it was really nice. So after coming back from San Diego, we decided to relax. We took a good relaxing time, so that's why there is not so many footage of it. But now we are ready. We dress white because today is the full moon party and we need to dress in white, and that's tonight. But first we are going to walk in the ship. We are going to see what we can find until that time, the music around the ship. So let's go and discover the ship and these amazing moments.
Tus labios que saben a mucho azúcar, un sabor que no puedo olvidar. Let's skip the drinks and take a trip tonight. I don't wanna come back from this high. Baby, we gon' change. Simmer down. Pásame los gummies now. Quiero llegar a ti. Simmer down. Pásame los gummies now. Quiero viajar a ti. Simmer down. Pásame los gummies now. Quiero llegar a ti. Simmer down. Pásame los gummies now. Quiero viajar a ti. Perdiendo la noche fumando wet creepy contigo. Humo lleno de mis pecaditos. No puedo sentir mi cara, pero puedo sentir tus juicios. Solo monta este viaje conmigo. Móntate suave, quiero sentirlo. Baby, you cocoa butter sweet chateau. Simmer, baby, till I plateau. Volando por los cielos del Caribe. Baby, no sé lo que me hiciste. Ojalá terminamos el viaje más.
full moon party or the white party just ended. You have still music that you can go in the Sky Lounge. It's a nightclub for here that you have. We had an amazing time. It was so much fun. It was good music, a lot of dance and everything, and I really like it. And yes, I was tired at the end because I danced so much. So yeah, that was for today. Today we had a discovering of San Diego. It was a really beautiful city with some beautiful views and beautiful places that I visited. The Balboa Park, the La Jolla. I still think I say it wrong, but it was a really amazing time there. And yeah, tomorrow is a sea date, so I will bring you with me along the day to show you what you can do on board when it is a sea day. So see you tomorrow, guys, in a new vlog on a sea day on the Celebrity Solstice.